It's a real honor to welcome you all to the 18th edition of the Real Estate Development Summit Africa. When we began this journey, it was with a single goal to build meaningful bridges between people shaping the built environment across Africa. Our very first summit took place in Kenya. This was in 2018. From there, we grew organically and with intention, connecting leaders and communities across Ghana, South Africa, Morocco, Nigeria, and beyond. Every city we visited gave us more than just business connection. It gave us stories, relationships, and a deeper love for this continent. That love didn't fade during COVID. In fact, it only deepened. While our work in Saudi Arabia expanded, we found ourselves repeatedly drawn back to Africa. As a team, we loved traveling across the cities, walking the streets, and speaking with architects, developers, and investors who are building something not just ambitious, but soulful. And that's what gave birth to this idea. What if we could bring the African community together, not in silos, not by country, but across the borders? And here in Dubai, what if we could create a space where leaders from Nigeria, Egypt, South Africa, Kenya, Ghana, Morocco, and 15 other nations could sit across the table from each other and from the world? And today, here we are, more than 500 people here in this room, about 131 companies representing over 3,000 active projects, and nearly 10,000 residential units and over 7,000 hotel rooms in development, and we got about 52 solution providers in this room, 22 speakers, and over 2 days of pre-arranged high-value meetings already scheduled. This isn't just a summit, it's a powerful exchange of ideas, capital, culture, and community. From real estate finance to branded residences to climate-conscious design and infrastructure innovation, what you'll experience here reflects the full spectrum of opportunity Africa holds. But more than that, it reflects a shared intent to do things better, more responsibly, and more collaboratively. Some of you I have worked with personally since 2013, and what I've learned in this is Africa doesn't need permission to lead. It needs platforms that reflects its scale, talent, and vision. And that's what Red Summit is here to do, not just facilitate deals, but enable direction. So whether you're here to raise capital, discover materials, sign partnerships, or simply listen, you're in the right place. This is your platform, and use it fully. Welcome to the Red Summit Africa.